The biggest difference between the E3 Pro and the E3 is quite obviously size. Depending on which size of 3D printer you have, controls how large of an object you can print. So for instance, I have two of our skulls here from our MySTEM Kit's Hominid Species and Tools kit, and the E3 can print a full-size Lucy skull, the jaw prints separately, and the E3 Pro, for instance, can print the full-size Homo sapiens skull. I also have a model here that is showing the maximum vertical build volume of the E3 Pro. So that one can actually go all the way up to 12 inches tall, and then 10 by 11 in the X and Y axis, versus the E3, which can only do 6 inches cubed. Now, in addition to size, they both have some really great features, including filament runout detection, flexible heated build plate, camera for monitoring. But the other differentiator is in terms of materials. So the E3 we pretty much just recommend using with PLA plastic, which is what all of these were created with, sort of your standard 3D printing material. But if you wanted to get into more advanced engineering challenges, work with different materials, that's where the E3 Pro comes in. Because it has a more advanced nozzle system, it can handle wood-infused filaments, flexible filaments, and more.